Hey guys, my name is Shaurya Sanadia and I am back after 2 years. For all of you who have been here sticking around, thank you so much. Welcome back. And for all the new viewers, I am here to create content about makeup, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel. So stick around because this is going to be a really special ride. So today is going to be a nice chit chat sort of a video where you all get to know me a little better while I clean my dresser. This area has to be cleaned because there is a lot of stuff and I end up not using a lot of products that I've actually purchased. So I thought I'll sit down, clean up, and I will chit chat with you guys. So go ahead, get your popcorn, get your cup of coffee, and enjoy the video. So first things first, I really like to get the mood in while I'm doing some sort of cleaning or doing some maybe writing my to-do list. I need like good music and a candle. So I'm going to light up a candle. I'm obviously not going to play music because then we won't be able to record this video. So yeah, let's just light up a candle to set the mood and then go ahead and clean this. Oops.
346 minutes later.
Alright, so now that is done. I don't even know where to start from because there's so much that I have to talk. There is so much that I have to do. The fact that how I started content creation, let's just start with that. It's been almost 9 years now that I am into this, and how I started is very interesting because I actually was working in a firm, and it was a typical corporate job where I did not enjoy what I was doing. I was just like, I was overworking. My work hours were I used to leave house at 9 in the morning and get back home at 12 in the night, which was very, very irritating. And the fact that I also wanted to do something of my own wherein I can use my own creativity, do something which makes me feel happy. So that's when I saw a YouTube channel which was called Nikki and Gabby, and then I started my first YouTube channel, which was with my friend. And a lot of you guys have shown in so much love on that channel, which was called Pretty Little Things. And that's how my YouTube journey began. And then I eventually started my own channel, got so much love on that. So yeah, that's how the journey began. And after YouTube is when Instagram happened. So many people do not know this, but I actually started off with YouTube because I love talking, I love creating videos, I love creating beauty content, makeup videos, styling videos. So that's how I started, and then Instagram picked up. And then I don't know why in time where I started my label, and then Instagram started picking up, so much was happening that I could not get the time and energy to do YouTube. So after 2 years, after like a good realization, I realized that I have to do YouTube. So that's how I started my YouTube journey. And I was a little scared because I already had a proper job and I was earning okay-ish, and I'd set my life and everything. But the fact that you have a set income and then you move on to something which is so unplanned. You don't know how much you're going to make. You have responsibilities, you have rents to pay. It just was a little scary. So yeah, I mean, I took that plunge and I'm happy I did that. So talking about my biggest fear, is the fact that I have everything planned out. Like I am that sort of a person who plans each and everything in advance. Like even when I was in school, I would go ahead and plan my like by this age I'm going to do this, by this age I'm going to do probably finish my education, by this age I would want to see myself working. So I have like a set plan. This quality actually comes from my father because he's someone who has always planned everything, and I sort of picked it up from him. And the fact that if things do not go as per plan, as per what I've decided, that's actually my biggest fear. I mean, so many people ask me, what are you scared of? this is what I'm scared of, कि अगर मैंने इतने साल तक ये नहीं किया तो क्या, like what's my backup. And I like to write things down. I like to like have a set goal plan in place, and if things don't go that way, touch wood, till now everything has just gone the way it had to. But I just keep thinking, what if this does not work, what if this plan doesn't work. So I don't know why, I don't know if you guys also do the same thing, but I'm someone who like keeps continuously thinking about, okay, this has to be done. If this is not done, then what, then this is my biggest fear, guys. Okay, I have a lot of things that I'm not using, like this like this this particular concealer. I actually went ahead and I bought it, and I've been trying to look for it since almost 2 months now, and it's just sitting right here and I didn't even know about it. Wow. Okay, talking about my first job, I was working with this firm called Zeris Associates. I don't know if you guys know about this particular firm. So I was with them for about a year, and I was for a fresher, I was not like I would say it was a decent salary back then. I would make what, 20 grand a month, and उसमें rent, उसमें house help, उसमें सब कुछ, electricity bill, सब कुछ जाता था. I have no idea how I used to manage it, but I was pretty good at it because the planning skills that I have, that I got from my father, are like impeccable. So yeah, that was my first salary. And when I recently joined, like when I started YouTube, I was just on my savings. Like I did not have anything else but my savings from the job. तो मैंने save भी किया guys. मतलब सोच रहे हो level of planning. So I saved a lot of money, and that's how I started my YouTube and my label. So, oops, this is gonna fall. Oh, please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Okay. Okay, it didn't fall. Yeah, so I actually had a few savings, and I took the plunge of doing YouTube. There was a time where I was doing actually both the things, like my corporate job. Smells good. Sorry, my corporate job and YouTube, which was quite a task because I would work on the weekdays and I would shoot on the weekends, which was very, very hectic. So till the time I could start making money, from YouTube, I actually did not give up my job. And the minute I did, and with a little bit savings, I took my first international trip, which is a great story, guys. I took my first international trip, and it was it was right before I was supposed to get married, and it was my bachelorette. And this may sound very, very controversial. ये खुलता कैसे है यार? हाँ, this may sound very, very controversial, but me and my friend went to Bangkok.
Yeah, boy.
Wow, this was my first international trip and I was super excited. And honestly, we chose Bangkok was because उसकी flight tickets बहुत ही cheap थी वो time, and no other place was no other flight tickets was as cheap. There was Dubai, but Dubai in itself is so expensive, like hotels, stay, food. So I was like, इतने पैसे में तो मैं नहीं जा सकती. Let's just stick to Thailand, and we went to Thailand, which was for my bachelorette. Rest I can't say because it was my bachelorette, so I'm gonna just like zip it up. But yeah, I mean, that reminds me, what reminded me of Thailand is this little S that I got from Thailand, from a store. I don't remember the name, but oh, this was what, 6 years back, and the lights still work. So yeah, I got this cute little S from there, and it was sitting right here, and that's how I remember this is like a memory of my first international trip. So yeah, what will be my biggest pet peeve? Maybe like that one thing that I hate, absolutely hate and cannot stand. And I'm still not able to open this, guys. How do I open this? Yeah, so my biggest pet peeve is someone who chews very loudly. Like, I can't tolerate if I am sitting at a restaurant or sitting somewhere and someone's like, that's just very, very disgusting. And I don't know why. It just gives me jitters. And I'm like, please, please stop eating. I would stop eating otherwise, or I'd just move out of that place. So, yeah, that's my biggest pet peeve. It's a nice perfume. This one is, oh, it's a oud. If you don't know me, or if you're new here, you would not know the fact that I love oud, and this one is a saffron oud. It's from Forest Essentials, if I'm not wrong. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, I'm gonna keep it in my bag now. It's a little too strong. Ouds are strong. What else that you do not know about me? Do you guys know about my unusual talent? I think I've already spoken about it in this video. My most unusual, amazing talent that I have, and I'm not so proud of, is overthinking. Like I have this amazing talent कि मतलब हर चीज को overthink कैसे करना है. I can give you classes on that. Like, if someone's not talking to me, I'll be like, what did I do? Did I do something? Did I not do something? Or is it something else that मतलब 4 साल पहले भी अगर मैंने कुछ बोला होगा तो I'll start thinking about that. So this is something that a lot of people do not know. Why is this so pure? Oh God, I really need to do some cleaning every 2 days now. So yeah, I mean, this is something that not a lot of people know about me, not even my close ones. That the fact that I overthink the smallest thing to the core, like to the core. I will go down and break it down into so many pieces that even I wouldn't understand what and why am I doing this. So yeah, that's my very unusual talent. I'm not so proud of, and the fact that so yeah, and that is something that keeps me up also at night. Like I'll be sleeping at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, just because I'm thinking about random things that shouldn't be thought of. So yeah. Okay, so I finally managed to like keep a few things in here which I would want to use in future, and especially these two products from Dab to Fab. It's not sponsored, it's just something that came in the PR and I've heard so much about it. So I'm going to keep it in a space where I can use it more often and not just keep finding it whenever I need it. Arey yaar. So now it's the other thing that I need to clear. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh, it's this rack that always sits on my dresser and hasn't been sorted in a while. So yeah, let's go ahead and sort this out. Oh my God, there are certain things that I keep thinking that why I did not do this. On that thought, if I had to ever redo my life and delete a few things, or maybe like maybe just redo it in general, if there's a part of my life that I want to change, that would be the fact, that would be my education. Like I really wanted to do, like I have my own clothing label, but I have no degree in fashion. Like I would really go back in time and do fashion designing as a course. If there's one thing that I could change, I would change that, because I did my masters in economics, and honestly, it's I don't say that education is a waste. It's not, but I'm not using it. So I feel that I wasted 2 years in doing something that I'm not even using in my day-to-day life. I'm sure a lot of you guys feel the same way, that you studied something but you're doing something else. So yeah, that's the thought that I constantly keep thinking about, that kash maine fashion designing kari hoti. Back then it was very difficult for me to convince my parents to do what I really wanted to do. They were like, nahi nahi nahi, fashion design kya, darji banogi. वो time पे it was like that. Like I'm talking about 2009. So back then it was very difficult to convince my father that I want to do fashion design. But he was like, no, I mean, that's not a very, a sustainable career. Do you really think you'll be able to make it? And all of that. And I ended up doing BCom, and then I ended up doing my master's in economics, which was great, which was interesting, but what's the point if I'm not using it? So if that's one thing I really need to change in my life, it'll be this. Okay, I just realized that I have a lot of makeup brushes that need to be cleaned, so I'm just segregating the ones that need to be cleaned and the ones which are already clean, so that I know which ones to like clean out. And while I'm doing this, मेरा पेट गुड़ कर रहा है because I'm very hungry. And I also, that one thing that a lot of people do not know about me is the fact that I get very hangry when I'm hungry. Like I don't get angry, I get irritated. So it's irritated. If that's even a word. But yeah, I feel very irritated. I don't feel like working. I don't feel like doing a lot of things when I am hungry. तो मुझे बस immediately खाना चाहिए. At this point, I think I'm on the verge of just getting into that phase. But yeah, if I think about it, if there's one thing that I can eat for the rest of my life, like every day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, it'll be Rajma Chawal. Like, I don't know, I have this unsaid pyar for Rajma Chawal since I was a kid, because my mom used to make it and she used to make it so well. Oh God. And nobody has even come close to how my mom, no, nobody has come even close to how my mom used to make Rajma Chawal. And even if I have to make using her recipe, it does not turn out the same way. So yeah, if I have to eat Rajma Chawal, I would eat my mom ke haath ka Rajma Chawal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah. While I'm making a video cleaning my room, I just realized that if I was not a content creator, I mean, what would I be? I have already started my label, so I am an entrepreneur. So if I was not sort of doing what I'm doing right now and I was just not in this field, it makes me think, what would I be doing? Maybe sitting in the same firm working, or a different firm. But I think I would be in the corporate sector, which I would not have enjoyed as much. But yeah, I mean, I don't know how life would be, but I'm so grateful for the fact that life turned out the way I actually imagined it to turn out. And I'm happy. All of this does really take a toll on me, my health, and all of this. So I was saying that all of this does really take a toll on me, my health at times, because this is such a exhausting field, I would say, because you're constantly on the move, you're constantly making content, you have to like constantly be on your toes. And while I was working, I mean, even that was a very difficult job. I'm not going to deny that. But after 12 o'clock, it was over. Like, I didn't have to like think about office, I didn't have to think about work. But here, like, even if I am off work, like everything is done, it's work has ended, shoot has ended, I'm back from the office, but I'm still constantly thinking about what I have to do tomorrow, how I have to plan things tomorrow, what are the new launches that are coming in, what's the new video that I have to post. We haven't posted stories, so I have to post stories. It's such an exhausting job. And the fact that I have to do it all by myself, like I don't have a team to do it, because sometimes I just feel that when a third person takes over your social media, it just loses its personal touch. So I like to keep posting my own stories. I like to keep posting and shooting my own content the way I want it, the way I like it. Okay. So yeah, I mean, it is exhausting and it sometimes just takes a toll on me, but I'm happy where I am. I'm happy how things have turned out. And I'm grateful that I have you guys to support me through thick and thin. I mean, it means the world. So yeah, I am excited to start this new journey. And I hope I'm consistent, because the last few times that I've actually tried to be consistent, I just couldn't. But I really hope to be consistent. I hope to post every Sunday of every month, like at least go and post like 3 to 4 videos a month. That's the plan. And if I'm not posting, guys, please go ahead and start commenting and spamming me so that I come in guilt mode and I start legit like posting and shooting more YouTube videos. I'm happy that that it came a full circle. I started from YouTube, I discontinued, and I'm back. So yeah, I'm excited. This is gonna take a while because I am half done, almost done with the dresser. It looks much better now. It looks more organized. So this is going to take another while. I'm going to go and have something to eat because I cannot function when I'm hungry. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope your popcorn and coffee is over, and I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications from my channel. I'm going to see you guys. Bye.